Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Robinhood account. First, open the Robinhood app or website. On the login screen, you will see an option for Forgot Your Password. Click this link. You will then be prompted to enter the email address linked to your account. Robinhood will send a password reset link to that email. This is the primary method to regain access if you've forgotten your password. If you've forgotten the email address or phone number associated with your Robinhood account, the process is a bit different. First, try searching all your email accounts for any past emails from Robinhood. Often, you'll find account statements or confirmations. If that doesn't work, you'll need to contact Robinhood's customer support. They can help you verify your identity and locate your account using other personal details. Sometimes, two-factor authentication can prevent you from logging in, especially if you've lost your device or access to your authentication app. If this happens, you'll need to reach out to Robinhood's support team. They can guide you through the steps to reset your two-factor authentication. This usually involves a secure identity verification process to ensure your account remains safe and protected. When all other recovery methods are exhausted, contacting Robinhood's customer support is your best option. You can typically reach them by phone or through the in-app chat feature. Be prepared to provide specific personal information to verify your identity, such as your full name, date of birth, and possibly your social security number. Their dedicated support team can assist with more complex account access problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.